We're on my kayak out of Apollo Beach. And there's a pod of manatees right in front of me. I'll take you to them. Just slow pedal forward. Got boats all around me. Burning gas. All I'm burning is manpower. Right up in here there's a pod of manatees. Any minute you'd be able to see them coming out of the water. There's one right there. You can see their heads stick up every once in a while. Right in the middle of a pod of manatees right here. Under kayak power. Off Apollo Beach. You see those dark spots in the water? All manatees. They find a little hole to lay in. They just stay right there. There's tons of them out here. You can see them sticking their heads up right there. Look at them, I'm right next to them like they're my pets. I think I'll start to name you guys. Look at you, man, you're all right here. Hey guys. You can hear them breathing. They're right underneath me. There's one. Come to say hello. Hey buddy. And there's one right under the boat. He's right there. Another one there. Amazing. Oh, look at that guy. I want to drop my phone. Uh-oh. I think I hooked one of them. Hold on.